All right, here's the rough end fit up for the BMW seat in the Humvee.
This is the seat sled for the bottom of the 745 Li seat, and basically it's too wide from here to here on all four corners to fit in the Humvee, because if you look here, it narrows. This is a straight line drawn with a laser to basically an intersection point. So what I was considering is possibly cutting this out and modifying, which would be a huge pain in the butt, and I didn't really want to do. Or I had about here forward that I still had 19 inches in width, which is the dimension from here to here. So the seat actually ends up sitting above where that conflict occurs. So the seat width is really not the issue. It's just being able to fit a mounting system. So this seat won't have fore and aft adjustments, but it will still have all the up down. I think also separately with the front and rear of the seat bottom can move up and down. This will come off. Just saving that right now so I can go find a thread later, or a bolt with the correct thread to plug in. And then the rest of these, I'm going to fabricate a piece that mimics the seat sled that this connected to, so everything still runs in the same geometry, but something that is overall narrower and can be connected to a chassis for the seat that will fit in here. All right, so now I've made these parts. They are, let's see, like I think 320 mil, centers on 290 with 12 mil holes. So they match up to these bolts here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them on and see what this thing starts setting up with a flat surface on the bottom so I can do something with it.
So the whole thing sets up pretty tight, but messing with it, I think I can tip the seat perfectly level, and that'll separate it from the B-pillar just a little bit, and basically able to get a height here where I can figure out how to build the chassis for the seat to sit in the vehicle and level.